Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 8 of class 7th DAV English Literature, The Spider and the Fly back exercise. Understanding the poem. A. In the web chart given below, mention the various luxury things that according to the spider furnish his parlor. Answer. Spider's parlor, a little bed, pretty curtains, small mirror, fine sheet. B. The spider tries to lure the fly by praising her beautiful appearance. In the web chart given below, mention the various phrases that he uses. Answer. Fly, sweet creature, witty and wise, brilliant eyes, silvery wings, gauzy wings. C. In the poem, the spider tries to tempt the fly by offering her various comforts. Complete the table given below by filling in the fly's response to his various offers. Temptation. First, the fly can see many pretty things in his parlor. Fly's response. Who goes up your winding stair never come down again. Second, the tired fly should rest in his parlor. She dented to rest upon his bed. Third, the fly should eat a little delicious food. She refused to test the food. Fourth, the fly should look at her beauty in the looking glass in the parlor. I will come another day, not now. D. From the poem, find two examples of each similes and metaphor. Answer. Simile. Your eyes are like the diamond. B. Dull as lead. Metaphor. A. Gauzy wings. B. Silver wings. E. Read the extracts given below and answer the questions that follow. A. Dear friend, what shall I do to prove the warm affection I have always felt for you? I have within my pantry a good store of all that is nice. I am sure you are very welcome. Will you please to take a slice? First, why is the speaker called cunning? Answer. The speaker is called cunning because he is trying to lure the fly by making a false offer to her. Second, how does he in these lines try to lure the fly? Answer. In this line, he tries to lure the fly by offering her food from his pantry. Third, how does the fly react to the offer made by him? Answer. The fly replies that she has already heard what is in his pantry and that she doesn't want to see. B. Sweet creature, said the spider, you are witty and you are wise. How handsome are your gauzy wings, how brilliant are your eyes. I have a little looking glass upon my parlor shelf. If you will step in one moment, dear, you shall behold yourself. First, who is this sweet creature? Answer. The fly is the sweet creature. Second, why is the speaker praising her so much? Answer. The speaker is praising her so much in order to lure her into his parlor where he could catch her and eat her up. Third, do you think this creature is really wise? Why not? Answer. The creature is not really wise because she comes under the influence of the spider and falls a victim to his flattery, which leads to her death. C. The spider turned him round about and went into his den, for well he knew the silly fly would soon be back again. So he wove a stubble web and a little corner sly and set his table ready to dine upon the fly. First, why did the speaker turn back into his den? Answer. Because he knew that this silly fly would surely come back to him, so he went to his den to weave a subtle web and set his table ready to dine upon her. Second, how did he knew that the fly would soon be back? Answer. He knew that the silly fly would not be able to resist the temptation after hearing so many flattering words, so he was sure of her coming back. Third, is he able to dine upon the fly? How? Answer. Yes, he is able to dine upon the fly as she gets trapped in the web of his flattery. Thoughts. A. What is a fable? Why is the poem called a fable? Answer. Fable is poem or story that consists any moral and characters of that poem or story should be animals. This poem is called a fable because in this poem the animals like spider and fly are characters and it also gives moral. B. Of the various offers made by the spider, which one does the fly and find most difficult to resist? Answer. The spider offers various things to lure the fly, but when he sings a song dedicated to her beauty, she finds it difficult to resist and become a victim of his flattery. Life skills. It is easier to flatter, it is hard to praise. How will you differentiate between your true friend and a flatterer? Answer. If anyone praises us for the action which is immoral, or the qualities which we don't have indicates he is flattering, while one who makes us aware of our mistakes and wrong deeds, actions, or work is our true friend. Values. The true friends are hard to find. True friends are the greatest asset. Narrate an incident when some friend helped you in your time of need and you realize that a friend in need is a friend indeed. Answer. Do it yourself. Writing skills. The spider wants to invite the fly to his home. He drops an invitation card at her home. Make an invitation card for the spider inviting the fly to a dinner. Answer. Hello, dear fly. I want you to come to my house for a dinner party. I am eager to make my friendship strong with you as I wish that we will have a great food and we will enjoy in the evening. I am sending you the invitation card, so please come to my house for the dinner on December 31st, 2021. I will wait for you, Spider. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.